Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at the Holy Stone HS900. This is serious. It's a 249 gram drone. It's made by Holy Stone. Awesome company. Thank you so much, Holy Stone. Appreciate this. Okay, we have 249 gram foldable drone, 48 megapixel photos, and 4K HD video. Intelligent flight, supports quick charge, visual tracking, 3-axis brushless gimbal. Alright, without further ado, let's get it out there and get it up in there. Oh, back your butt. Nice case. Okay, so let's take, and we have to open the front arms first, then the back. Front arms, then the back. I've already got a battery placed in there. You push on both tabs on each side, gently press it in so it snaps in. Good to go. SD card goes there, and that's where you charge it. USB-C. Folding props. I'm guessing the 8,000, 10,000 kV motors. I'll have to find out for sure. But they're up there in the KVs. Okay, so this is a GPS. Has the Sony CMOS sensor, CMOS sensor. Really nice, high quality camera. Get the remote out. Our phone goes in here at the bottom. Nice rubber there. Our joysticks are in the bottom here. Just gently screw them in. Get that ready. And you have a charging port. You have your phone hook up there. A little joystick. Left and right spin. You have takeoff, landing. You have forward flight, backward flight, left sideward flight, right sideward flight. Speeds, return to home, power on. You have a specialty button you can program. You have the up and down on the camera. You have photo and video. So photo over here, video over here. Okay. Let's get the cable to plug into the phone. Get that set up. Once you have the app and you power everything on, it'll just automatically go into your Holy Stone app. Put that side in there, and then the other goes to your phone. And connect your phone into the remote, just like so. Okay, just watch your power buttons. Make sure they're not being pressed in any way. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap and then long tap to power on. Place that down on a flat level surface facing away from us. Same with the remote to turn it on. Tap and long press, I mean. Okay, that'll do its thing here. Bind together. Have to acquire some satellites. You should have it auto connect to the app here. Looks like everything's starting to happen. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again, Holy Stone, for helping this video be possible. Appreciate it. And once again, guys, these drones are available in the new Dare RC Hobby Reviews store. Check that out. It's a Shopify store. Thank you, YouTube. Appreciate you for allowing all this to be possible and help me make a business out of my YouTube channel. Long time dream, and you're making it happen. I appreciate it. Thank you all. Love you all for the support. Appreciate it. Okay, let's get back to this drone. I think we're about ready to take it for a try. Take it for a test flight. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, I didn't have my phone unlocked. Uh-oh. Now you guys know how to get on my phone. I If you've seen that, I'm not sure if I was secretive enough. It doesn't matter. Okay. Stable, it says. That's good. Okay, so let's get this connected. Now all we should have to do is hit go fly. And then we should be able to see what the drone's seeing here. Can we see it? I didn't take the cover off, right? Nope. Oops. Don't do this at home. Make sure you take the cover off first. Don't want to mess up that 3-axis brushless gimbal there. That's why I couldn't see nothing. Okay, now we can see what the camera's seeing. Alright. Very good. I think that we have satellites. Yep, we have acquired 19 satellites, so we're ready to fly in GPS mode. Okay, without further ado, let's get this HS900 in the air and see what we can do. We'll get some videos, some pictures, and do some return to homes. Alright. To take off, what we need to do is, imagine, down into the middle.
Return point has been refreshed. Please pay attention.
Okay, so now it has the location memorized. That tells you to be sure to pay attention, which is always good. Always pay attention when you're flying. Man, what a nice drone. Let me bring that back down. Let's walk around there and look at it. Oh, it comes down nice and fast. I like that. Cool. Wow. Very nice. Look at that. Hovers just beautifully. So smooth, silky. Very good product. Okay, let's get up there and get a couple snapshots. Man, it's in first speed. Let's see what we have for speeds here.
Normal.
There's normal.
Sport. Stable.
Okay, so we have stable, normal, and sport. So it was in stable. Alright, let's go ahead and go to normal. We'll do the quick flights first. Wow. Normal's pretty zippy. Very fun. Enjoyable to fly. Okay, let's switch it over to sport mode. Let's try that. Okay, wow. Much faster. Very cool. Spins a lot faster, moves forward and backward much faster. That's nice and zippy. Nice to have a good camera drone, but also fun to fly a sporty little drone as well when you're not taking video. Very cool. I like the navigation lights on this one as well. Rubber grips on the joysticks, a nice plus, nice bonus. I like this one has the rubber feet. On my last video I said the 360E had the rubber feet, but I was wrong. Forgive me. It was the HS900. Very cool. Okay, let's get a couple snapshots right quick. Okay, that's what the drone's seeing. So pictures are over here. So there's our snapshot. There's one. Spin it back the other direction. There's two. Let's go ahead and start the video by long pressing the left button up top. Let's see if we started the video.
Start record video.
I guess you don't have to long press, just press the left button on the top of the remote. We're going to do a slow 360. Guys, don't forget, if you're interested in this drone, you can now get them at rchobbyreviews.com, or just go right through YouTube through the link on this video and you can buy them on my new website. It's through Shopify and YouTube. It's all linked together. It's wonderful. Appreciate that. YouTube and everyone involved helping me get this all set up and running. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it around and see if you can't see me real quick. I can wave at you guys. Let's see. Wrong way. There we are. Hi guys, thanks so much for watching, appreciate you. Okay, gonna stop the video now. Okay.
Stop record video.
Stop the recording the video. Okay, now let's take it out there and do our first return to home. I'm gonna go over here to the west. Follow that airplane up there. I don't know if you can see it. With the white streamer. Oh, looks like I've reached my boundaries in beginner mode. So let's hit return to home. Right over here. Top left corner. I think I need to long press it.
RTH flight mode.
Long press that button and you're gonna come home. Nice. Spin it around. Gonna come back and forward. Love that. It's awesome. We'll see how close it'll get to the landing pad. Right there. There he comes. Moving out quickly. Wasted no time.
The maximum altitude limit has been reached.
Nice. I've reached the maximum altitude on beginner mode. You can change all them settings in the app. There's a lot of things that you can find in the app. A lot of different features. I'll get into more features later on in life here as I get more time. But I'm doing my best to try to get you guys some info out on these, get you up and flying, give you the basics at least. Look how close that was. I'll go ahead and stop it there. So I'm gonna hit return to home to cancel that, and then I can be in control of it again. You can control it. You can like fly up to abort mission, but then to actually cancel the return to home, you have to man, that thing is zippy in sport mode. That's super cool, very fun to fly. Where was I? Anyway, you know what you're doing. Very nice. Okay, let's go out here to the east, out in the field. Oh, that's as far as I can go. I've reached my geo fence. Okay, let's do another return to home. Long press.
RTH flight mode.
Turn it around, gonna come back. Checking its accuracy. First one would have touched the landing pad, I believe, if I'd let it keep going. Let's see what the second one will do. And once again, I didn't calibrate this here. Calibrated it at home on my coffee table. So that may make a difference on its accuracy. Very cool. Like the green flashing light underneath. That's nice. Well, that ain't really coming down. Look at that. There's the drone, there's the landing pad. About the same place it came down before. Very cool. Gonna stop it.
Sport.
Okay. Let's go out there and get one more. About middle. Go as far as it'll let me go. That's it. Okay, return to home. Definitely recommend taking it out of beginner mode.
RTH flight mode.
Return to home number 3. If it comes to the same spot, man, that's 100% accuracy as far as I'm concerned. Spot on. Nice drone. Very nice. Very happy with it. Very happy with this purchase. Thank you, Holy Stone, once again. Very cool. On its way down. Looks like it's right in the same spot. Very close.
Sport.
Not bad at all. Got good accuracy. Especially not even calibrating it here. Man, this thing is fun to fly. Okay guys, I'm going to bring her in for a landing. We'll try an auto land this time. And then we're going to end this video. What a beaut. Okay, let's put it in a slower speed.
Stable.
Like stable. And get her over here lined up with the landing pad best I can. Okay, and we're gonna do an auto land. Let me find it. Where's the auto land button at? Does it have one? Well, we're just gonna do a manual land. I'll have to find the auto land button later. Sorry guys, didn't mean to tease you there. Anyway, we're gonna manual land it, and check that out. Very easy, very nice. I like it when they talk to you too. So very cool drone, Holy Stone. Appreciate it. The HS900 3-axis brushless gimbal camera drone, and it's folding. Super nice product. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye.